Don't worry, I'm going to do it. Good afternoon.
Crazy man, where you go? Chimo. Crazy man, what will be your problem? What will be your problem? Now you are the ask, which means for this village, you no see better here. You no see another person. Oh, we're going to back home.
Okay, landlord, I know you understand what.
Why will you understand? Why you get to women understand? Every guy you could together. Do you know this girl? Do you know him, Papa, very well?
Yes.
And now I go say.
Now my baby's with this.
That's your baby. Come back here, I'm talking to you.
Hey,
It's not what you think. He don't say
what's going on?
He say he be allowed. He get plenty cow, get money. Say he won't come see my parents. Even this house self.
What do you tell?
Okay, landlord, calm down. I can explain.
You know what you tell?
I can explain. You know I'm a dreamer.
You a dreamer.
You know I'm a dreamer.
Joseph Olongo.
I'm a dreamer. Okay, landlord, I don't pop.
Wait, you get to mine. Do you know this girl, Papa, very well?
I don't know her.
See, let me tell you what you don't know. This girl, Papa. Akose. Him Papa name Akose. The man they do juju well. And the worst part of it be say, me and him Papa they get problem. For our kindred. Me and him Papa they get problem.
I don't know.
And how do you get mine? They can't carry him daughter come my house.
Nobody told me.
Nobody told you.
Why lie?
Why somebody go told you? Why did go tell you?
Let her be going.
She's not going anywhere.
Let her be going.
You and I go, both of them. I go buy two of them.
In fact, let's two of us be going. We can be
Going where? Where do you think
we are about to leave.
Where una go go?
Ogala, I don't come, man.
Where una go go?
Ogala,
You know they hear my cause. You know they hear my cause in this village. Do you know what it be a cause? Do you know what it be a cause?
I don't know.
Good. A cause. Thank you. Una one fight me. Una one fight.
Ogala Lord, Ogala Lord.
Una one fight me.
You know one fight.
You no get shame. You no get shame. You know they hear my cause. Oh yeah, they come out.
Malam now.
They come out.
Why you not tell me say no be your house?
My landlord, no man say she dey for house, man.
Why you not tell me say no be your house?
I don't know that my landlord is in the house.
You come out.
I will see your phone. Leave me to wait.
Okay, you want beat me?
I don't want beat me.
You want beat me?
Don't be.
Oh, yeah, beat me.
No,
Beat me. You want beat me? You want beat me? Me, Dama. You come in now. You come in now.
Ogala, no, best.
Jesus.